Hi everyone, my phone calculator keeps on lying to me. It gave me the answer 1 and 1 over 16 for this math problem, and that is so wrong. Let me show you how to solve this math problem correctly. Now, the first thing we need to do is turn all these mixed numbers into improper fractions by doing this. So 4 times 4 is what? 16 plus 1 equals 17. So I'll write 17 as the numerator and the 4 as the denominator. The same thing goes here. You multiply, you add, you multiply, you add, and let me just bring down the addition symbol down. 17 over 4 divided by 17 over 4. Look at that. These are all improper fractions. Now, looking at PEMDAS, PEMDAS is telling me that division goes first, not addition. So we're going to use this rule or method called keep, change, flip to help us with these two fractions and that division symbol. So we keep the first part of the fraction. So it will be 17 over 4. We change division to multiplication. And lastly, we were going to flip this fraction. So it'll be written like this, 4 over 17. And then we just multiply across. So what's 17 times 4? Let's write it here. 17 times 4. So what is 7 times 4? 28. And 4 times 1 is 4, 5, and 6. So we add those two, 4 plus 2 equals 6. So we have 68. So 68 goes up there, and 4 times 17 is 68. And 68 over 68 equals 1. And let's write this in a fraction form. We all know 1 over 1 equals 1 does not change to 1. And let's bring down this improper fraction down. So 17 over 4 plus... let's bring that 1 over here. Notice that the denominators are different, so we're going to use the butterfly method. So draw the first wing. So 17 times 1, and cannot forget the antenna, is 17. And 4 times 1, that is the second wing, like that, and the second antenna is 4, right? 4 times 1 is 4. And draw the body. 4 times 1 is 4, and so the 4 is our new denominator, right? And 17 plus 4 equals what? 21. And 21 over 4 cannot be simplified further, but don't leave yet. We're going to get 3 different answers. The improper fraction, which is this is the first answer. Then we're going to get a mixed number answer and then a decimal answer using long division. So I'll write it here. 21 goes inside the long division symbol there. That is called the dividend. 4 goes outside the long division symbol. That is called the divisor. How many times can 4 fit into 21? 5 times. And 5 times 4 is 20. And we subtract 21 minus 20 is 1. So we can get our mixed number answer. So it's 5. That is the whole number. The proper fraction comes from the 1, which is the remainder that goes on top of the fraction, and the 4 goes at the bottom of the fraction. So the answer in a mixed, wow, I forgot the name already. Mixed number form is 5, 1 over 4. That's because I'm talking a little fast to make the video a little shorter. And next, we need to get the decimal answer. So some of you already know the decimal answer, but let's just finish the long division here. So how many times can 4 fit into 1? You cannot, so we need to borrow 0. So add a decimal after the 21 and after the 5. And so write the 0 there, bring it down, give it to the 1. Now the 1 becomes a 10. And how many times can 4 fit into 10? So you got 10 fingers, 1, 2. So 2 times. 2 times 4 is 8, and 10 minus 8 is 2. So how many times can 2 fit into 2? You cannot, so we need to borrow another 0, bring down the 0, give it to the 2. The 2 becomes a 20. Now, how many times can 4 fit into 20? 5 times. And 5 times 4 is 20, right? And 20 minus 20 is 0. So your answer in a decimal form is 5.25. Look at that. Easy. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to join the smartest community on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.